My dear students of class 9th, a very delightful good morning to all of you. As you all know that in previous videos we have discussed about some problems of exercise 1C. Here myself Sunil Singh is going to discuss with you about exercise 1D related to real number. We have already discussed in initial video about the real number, but here need to discuss once again about a real number. A number whose square is non-negative is called a real number. Very simply we can see, in fact all rational numbers and irrational numbers form the collection of all real numbers. So it is very clear that all rational numbers as well as irrational numbers are real number. Exercise 1D here given, add 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 and root 3 plus 2 root 2. See the add 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 and root 3 plus 2 root 2 equal to 2 root 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 root 2. Taking together 2 root 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 3 plus 2 root 2. Here 2 root 3 and root 3 are same, whereas 5 root 2 plus 2 root 2 are same. So together add 2 root 3 plus root 3, it will be 3 root 3 and plus 5 root 2 plus 2 root 2, it will be 7 root 2. Very simple, we can find out the answer of this question, which is 3 root 3 plus 7 root 2. Simple. All the solutions for the second and third question are given here. Second question and third question. Right? Observe it properly and see how it will be possible. It has already solved for you. Second question given multiply. What is given? Multiply. Here solution are given for multiplication. Observe properly. See question number 1. Multiply 3 root 5 by 2 root 5. It means we have to multiply 3 root 5 and 2 root 5. What will be the product? See the solution. 3 root 5 by 2 root 5. It means simply take integers together. See here, observe here, integer 3 and in which integer 2. 3 into 2 and root 5 into root 5. 3 into 2 equal to 6 and root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. Simply we can find out the product of this multiplication, that will be 6 into 5 equal to 30. See another 2. Third, 2 root 6 by 3 root 3. 2 root 6 into 3 root 6, 3 root 3. See here integers 2 and 3. So multiply together 2 multiply 3 into root 6 into root 3. That will be 2 multiply 3 6. Root 6 multiply root 3 equal to root 2 multiply root 3 into root 3. It means root 6 equal to root 2 multiply root 3, and root 3 already multiplied. So root 3 multiply root 3, it will be 3 here. So 6 multiply 3 equal to 18, and root 2 remain constant. So our answer is 18 root 2. So in such way we multiplied. See here, all questions are solved for you. You will try to solve by yourself, and if you will not get answer properly, or you are not going to solve easily, you may take help from these notes. Third, given divide 16 root 6 by 4 root 2. See here, 16 root 6 by 4 root 2. It means we have to divide 16 root 2 by 4 root 2. Here given 16 root 2 by 4 root 2. We can divide root 6. We can divide root 6 into 2 parts. Root 3 multiply root 2, and now 4 root 2 multiply root 3. It means 16 divided by 4, it will be 4, and root 2 cancelled, remain here 4 root 3. Easily divide, we can divide it easily, same as see question number 3rd, 18 root 21 by 6 root 7. 18 root 21 by 6 root 7, disperse it, equal to 18 root 7 into root 3. After dispersing root 21, we get root 7 into root 3 by given root 6 into root 7, or root 6 root 7. 6 is divided here 18 by 3 times, and root 7 cancel, remain constant here 3 root 3. So our answer is 3 root 3. 4. Simplify. It means on the basis of mark we solve such type of problem. In simplify, observe first 3 minus root 11 into 3 plus root 11. 3 minus root 11, 3 plus root 11. See here, a minus b into a plus b. This is given in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that will be a square minus b square. So here 3 minus root 11 into 3 plus root 11 equal to 3 square minus root 11 square. 3 square will be 9, and root 11 square root and square cancel, remain here 11. 9 minus 11 equal to minus 2. Observe another example for you. See here, 3 minus root 3 square. It means a minus b the whole square. That will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. We will set up these numbers 3 and minus root 3 on the basis of this formula. Here it will be 3 square plus root 3 square minus 2 into 3 into root 3. That will be 9. 3 square 9 plus root 3 square 3 minus 2 into 3 6 root 3. 9 plus 3 12 minus 6 root 3. Here these all solutions are given on a geometric formula. See question number 6. Root 5 minus root 2 into root 2 minus root 3. Root 5 consecutively multiply these two, root 2 and minus root 3 with root 5. Root 5 multiply root 2, that will be root 10. Root 5 multiply minus root 3 minus root 15, it means plus minus 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 root 15. Again minus root 2 into root 2 minus 2 minus root 2 minus root 3 minus minus plus root 6. Here our answer is very clear that root 3 minus root 15 minus 2 plus root 6. Question number 5. Simplify. Given 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2 square. First solve it on the basis of a plus b the whole square process. 3 plus root 3 into 2 square plus root 2 square plus 2 into 2 root 2. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into root 2. 3 plus root 3, put here constantly. Solve this. 2 square 4 plus root 2 square plus 2 plus 2 into root 2, 4 root 2. 3 plus root 3 into 4 plus 2, 6 plus 4 root 2. Again multiply together 3 consecutively with this number and this number. 3 multiply 6, 18. 3 multiply plus root 2 plus 12 root 2. Root 3 multiply 6 plus 6 root 3 plus root 3 plus 4 root 2, that will be 4 root 6. Very clear that our answer is here. See question number 6. In question number 6 they are given, examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. How can we find out that the number is rational or irrational? After taking solution. See, first of 6, 5 minus root 5 into 5 plus root 5. 5 minus root 5 into 5 plus root 5. It means when we take a equal to 5 and b equal to root 5, here we can also get a minus b into a plus b, that will be a square minus b square, that will be 5 square minus root 5 square. 5 square will be 25 and root 5 square will be 5. So 25 minus 5 equal to 20, and we know that 20 is a rational number, so this is given a rational number. And in such way we can solve all the problems in this process of question number 6. See question number 7. On her birthday, Reena distributed chocolates in an orphanage. The total number of chocolates say distributed is given by 5 plus root 11 into 5 minus root 11. First given, find the number of chocolates denoted distributed by her, and the second, write the moral value depicted here by Reena. See here, solution of question number 7. The number of chocolates distributed by Reena to orphanage. अनाथों को जो चॉकलेट रीना बांट रही है वो कितना है? Those are 5 plus root 11 into 5 minus root 11. Solve it on the process of a plus b into a minus b, that will be a minus b the whole square. So take 5 instead of a and root 11 for b. Here it will be 5 square minus root 11 square, a square minus b square equal to 5 square 25, root 11 square, cancel square root and square, remain here 11. 25 minus 11 equal to 14. It means the number of chocolates distributed by Reena are 14. And the second given, write the moral values depicted here by Reena. Moral value to help the poor and needy and to make the deprived children happy. Last one is 8. Simplify. Given first 3 root 45 minus root 125 plus root 200 minus root 50. 3 expanded root 45, that will be 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 minus expanded root 125, that will be 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 plus expanded root 200, it will be 10 multiply 10 multiply 2 minus root 50 expanded form root 5 multiply 5 multiply 2. Right here see double 3, it means 3 multiply 3, remain here root 5 minus from double 5 we take 1 5 out of a square root, that will be 5 root 5, same as double 10 root 2 here, same as double 5 minus 5 root 2. Like numbers, 3 multiply 3 9 root 5 minus 5 root 5, these are like numbers, and these also are like number. These are like number because root 5 multiplied in these two terms and root 2 multiplied in these two terms, so this also like, these are also like numbers. So solve like numbers together. 9 root 5 minus 5 root 5, that will be 4 root 5, and here 10 root 2 minus 5 root 2, that will be 5 root 2. And in such way you can solve all the problems what are given in 8 by yourself, and if you are not able to solve, here given the solution for question number 2nd and 3rd of question 8. 2nd and 3rd of question 8. Thank you. Again we will meet with a new video. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.